Some of the most powerful remedies in poultry farming today are not the expensive antibiotics at the agrovet, not the injections that drain your pockets, and not even the complicated treatments farmers buy when sickness hits the flock. They are simple, natural, and sitting right there in your home, your kitchen garden, or even your backyard. And yet, many chicken keepers overlook them. I've seen it too many times. Those moments when you walk to your coop and the birds you left energetic, scratching, pecking, and full of life are suddenly dull. So in today's video, I want to share with you 3 of the most powerful natural antibiotics you can give your chickens. Treatments you can prepare fast, use easily through drinking water, and watch them begin turning the situation around even when you're not entirely sure what you're dealing with. These formulas don't just fight sickness, they strengthen immunity, restore appetite, clean the gut, clear the airways, and give your flock a second chance. And trust me, the last one is something most chicken keepers completely overlook. But once you understand how it works, it becomes one of the most reliable tools you'll ever use. Before we go deeper into this, do me a quick favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me where you're watching from in the comments. It really helps this video reach another farmer who might be struggling right now. Now, as we dive into these remedies, I want you to understand why these particular natural treatments and not others. In poultry, sickness rarely comes from one direction. Sometimes it's microbes, sometimes it's stress, sometimes the gut is out of balance, and sometimes the respiratory system is clogged with mucus. That's why the remedies we're talking about today are not random. Aloe Vera gel, garlic, ginger, turmeric mix, and Oregano Thyme essential oils form a combination that covers respiratory infections, gut infections, stress-related problems, and bacterial challenges all at once. These compounds act like natural antibiotics, antivirals, immune boosters, and anti-inflammatory agents. And even though each works differently, they complement each other beautifully. I'll show you exactly how to prepare each one shortly. The first natural treatment is something many of you already have, aloe vera gel. Not the whole leaf. This gel is one of the most underrated lifesavers in poultry keeping. Aloe contains compounds like aloin that fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It stimulates the immune system to produce more white blood cells. The soldiers, your bird, depends on when the body is under attack. And one of its biggest strengths is how it heals the gut. Many chicken illnesses appear first in the droppings: watery stool, diarrhea, foul smell, undigested feed, or slimy feces. Aloe vera cleans harmful bacteria without killing the beneficial ones, something most synthetic antibiotics fail to do because they wipe out everything in their path. Aloe restores balance in the digestive system, allowing nutrient absorption to improve and inflammation to reduce. It is also a powerful stress reliever. Heat stress, transport stress, vaccination stress. Aloe has natural cooling effects that help birds breathe easier, pant less, and regain activity. To prepare it later, you simply cut a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out the clear gel, blend or stir into water, and use 25 milliliters per liter of drinking water for 3 to 5 days.
What sets apart millionaire poultry farmers from normal farmers? One thing: feed formulation. You've probably heard that making your own poultry feeds is cheaper and more profitable, but when you go online, all you find is scattered information, complicated software, and people talking theory instead of showing you how it's actually done. That's exactly why we at Agribusiness Insider spent the last 8 months creating something no one else has, a complete poultry feed formulation course designed to take you from zero knowledge to formulating professional broiler and layer feeds in just 1 weekend. You'll get 5 easy-to-understand modules that explain everything from ingredient selection and nutrient balancing to actual feed mixing. You'll also receive our powerful Excel-based feed formulation software with over 80 preloaded ingredients. Just key in your data and get instant feed formulas customized for your chickens. And because we believe in hands-on practical learning, we've added 8+ step-by-step video tutorials and a software operation guide, so you'll never get stuck at any point. Believe me, we have checked, and there is nothing like this that exists anywhere on the internet. Now, for a limited time, you can get 15% off the full package and gain free access to our future live feed formulation webinars, where we answer all your feed formulation and poultry questions one-on-one. Remember, our Organic Poultry Farming ebook is still yours to grab. To get a lifetime access to the course and the ebook, click the first link in the description of this video or scan this QR code, or contact me directly on WhatsApp at +254 726 717 251 for any assistance. This special offer will not be on for long, so click the first link in the description now and unlock lifetime access before it's closed.
The second remedy is a combination that has saved more flocks than any vet drug I've seen on small farms: garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Individually, each one is powerful. Together, they form a natural antibiotic cocktail that covers nearly every type of infection you can think of. Garlic contains allicin, a strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agent that also boosts circulation and general vitality. Ginger clears mucus from the respiratory tract, improves digestion, stimulates appetite, and helps blood flow more efficiently through the organs. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds known. It reduces swelling, supports liver function, and helps the body recover from stress. When combined, these three ingredients boost the immune system, clean both respiratory and digestive pathways, and help sick birds regain strength quickly. And the preparation is extremely simple. 1 clove of garlic, 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, and 1 similar-sized piece of turmeric, crushed or blended together and mixed into 1 liter of water. Give it for 3 to 7 days depending on how severe the illness is. For larger volumes like 5 liters, simply multiply the ingredients. The third natural treatment is one most people completely overlook: essential oils, specifically oregano oil and thyme oil. These two are unbelievably powerful. Oregano oil contains carvacrol and thymol, compounds that literally break holes in harmful bacteria, causing them to collapse from the inside. Thyme oil supports the respiratory system, helps digestion, improves airflow, and enhances immunity. And here's what shocks most farmers. Studies have found oregano oil to be more effective than some antibiotics against drug-resistant bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. To prepare, mix 1 milliliter oregano oil plus 1 milliliter thyme oil in 3 liters of water. Stir thoroughly and give fresh. For very sick birds, 1 drop directly into the beak every 12 hours for up to 3 days works incredibly well. But here's a very important warning: not all essential oils are safe. Only buy food-grade oils meant for human or animal use. Many keepers even use this once a week as a preventive measure to give their flock a natural immunity boost. If you found this video helpful, and before you leave,
remember to get your Organic Poultry ebook in the first link in the description of this video, or reach out to me on WhatsApp via the link also in the description.
If you want to take your egg production game to the next level, make sure you don't miss our next video, where I'll reveal another powerful combination of 2 natural ingredients when used together can skyrocket your egg laying even further while protecting them from internal infections. Click it and I will see you there.